What I wanted to show you is, in case you want to make some changes to this template, if you want to maybe add your own company logo or you do something else, I wanted to quickly explain you what needs to be done. And there are a few things you need to be aware of. So first of all, in order to use an template, you need to make some changes to it. And for that, some HTML and CSS skills are of course required. The first step would be to make a copy of the template which you would like to adapt. Most likely you won't be starting from scratch. Of course, it's a possibility that you start from scratch, but especially in the beginning, I will recommend that you first take an existing template and try to adapt it to fit your own needs. Once you understand a bit how everything works, then you're totally free to adapt and create your own templates if you feel like. And once you have created this template, which uses the Handlebars templating engine, which I will link you, all you have to do is reference the template which you have saved somewhere locally on your machine or on your CI server. And then the reporter will select this report and generate the reports using this template. So it's pretty easy. Now, in order to grab a copy of the current template, I will first go to the project page. And this is the npm module project page. And you will see here that there's a link to a GitHub repository. Now, inside the GitHub repository, you will have to go inside the folder lib. And here you'll see different templates that you can use. So there's the dark theme dashboard, there's the normal dashboard, which you have just seen now, and there's the equivalent for when only failures are selected, basically the same dashboard. So what I will do here is I will download this file and save it on my own machine. So the way I do that, I will go to raw. And simply save this file. And let's call it my dashboard template. Now let's go ahead and edit this template, and I'll be using Visual Studio Code in order to accomplish that. Now I do not want to get very advanced with the changes that you can do here. So what I will do is I will create a very simple change just to show that I have the right template now. So let's add something. And now when inside Newman, I will add another option, and that is -- reporter -xml extra -template, and I will link the template. Now I'm currently inside a folder where I have that template, but in case you're not inside that folder, you need to specify the right path to your file. So the way I have named my template is my dashboard template. So this is why it's linked this way here. So I'll run it and let's see the output. Now, once I open the report that has been just generated, I can see that here on top, my report has been added. And this is a clear indication that the template that I have edited is being picked up by Newman and used for this report. Now, there's an additional thing I wanted to show you. And for that, I'm going to go back to the npm module page for the HTML extra reporter. And some of the nice extras that this template brings is a set of handlebar helpers. Now, handlebar is a templating language that is being used in order to insert this information that you see all over the template in order to make this work. So all the information that Newman has is inserted in some variables, and then using this templating engine, you can populate the template with all these values, as you will see if you open a templating page. So HTML extra comes with all these extra handlebar helpers installed. And one of these helpers is the logging helper. And with the logging helper, I can do some interesting things. For example, logging everything that's available from a variable standpoint. So what I mean by that is the following. I identified in my template a section where it says request information, and I could add here another line. And using this inspect handlebar helper, I am passing here the response variable, which is available in the template. And I'm writing here on front debug just to see how it looks like. And when I'm generating this template again, I'll get this extra information that's available here. So I will see the status, the code, headers, any other information that I might be interested in is available here. And you can do this for any other variable that you might be interested in rendering extra information that you cannot find in the template.